Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade cornbread. All of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. In a large bowl, I will be adding in cornmeal, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and granulated sugar. You want to whisk that very well until it's all incorporated and mixed evenly. In a medium bowl, I'm adding in all of my wet ingredients, which are 3 eggs, softened or melted butter, vanilla extract, and a pinch of honey. Next, I will be adding in corn, as well as heavy cream and almond milk. Now, I use almond milk instead of buttermilk for that vanilla flavoring. It's so good, it adds so much flavor to your cornbread. Once that is mixed, I'm going to add in my egg mixture to my flour mix. Whisk all of the ingredients together until it's pretty thick. I went ahead and used my baking spatula to help me make sure everything was fully incorporated. After that, I will be adding in cream corn. Once the cream corn is added in, fold it in very gently. My oven is preheated on 400. I will be baking the cornbread for about 25 to 30 minutes. After that time, I will be sticking in a toothpick or butter knife to ensure it's fully cooked. You can also use a muffin pan with cupcake holders. While my cornbread is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make a nice honey butter sauce. I added in some clarified, slightly melted butter with a pinch of honey, and I will incorporate that together until it creates a light glaze. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.